Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday we have the 2025 through 2026 Nissan Kicks. Compact crossovers like the Kicks spend most of their time navigating traffic, tight streets, and constant stop-and-go driving. In those conditions, braking performance needs to stay smooth, responsive, and predictable throughout the day. DFC's GeoSpec coated rotors are engineered to maintain stable braking performance while helping resist corrosion from moisture, road salt, and everyday exposure. OE-specific hardware and fitment designs also help technicians complete installation accurately and efficiently. Paired with DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads, the system delivers quiet operation, consistent pedal feel, and dependable stopping response designed for real-world urban driving. Whether commuting, running errands, or handling rideshare duty, DFC braking components help the Nissan Kicks stay controlled and confident in changing traffic conditions. For added convenience, DFC brake components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, helping distributors simplify inventory while improving service efficiency in the bay. DFC proudly supports the 2025 to 2026 Nissan Kicks with a complete braking solution, pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for durability, consistency, and OE-level fit. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.